As the sun rises over the African plains, a gentle giant awakens, beginning its day in a world of wonder. Meet the elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth, carrying a heart as gentle as its massive frame. Family is everything to them. Protection, guidance, and lessons are all shared through care and touch. Elephants are never truly alone. Their lives revolve around a complex social structure built on trust. At the heart of every herd is the matriarch, an experienced female guiding her family through the challenges of the wild. Every step is a testament to their strength, yet there is a graceful rhythm in their movement. From African savannas to Asian jungles, these lands are home to these gentle giants. Feeding is a full-time endeavor, as their enormous bodies demand vast amounts of vegetation daily. Leaves, grass, and fruits form their diet, each meal a ritual of survival. The trunk, a remarkable tool, is used for drinking, grasping, and even communicating. In the heat of the day, they bathe to cool down, enjoying the refreshing embrace of water. A coat of mud protects their skin from sunburn and pesky insects, a natural armor of the wild. Calves learn through play, discovering the skills they will need for life in the herd. When danger approaches, the herd forms an unbreakable wall, protecting its young at all costs. Remarkably, elephants sleep very little, often standing, always ready to respond to threats. Touch and sound are their language. A simple trunk touch conveys love, reassurance, or warning. Some of their calls are below human hearing, traveling miles across the land, connecting the herd. Water is life. These giants can travel long distances, relying on memory and experience to survive. Their memories, wisdom, and bonds with family are what truly define these gentle giants of the wild. Elephants are natural foragers, using their trunks to reach leaves and fruits that other animals cannot. Bark provides essential nutrients and helps maintain their strong tusks and teeth. Learning is lifelong. Calves closely watch and imitate adults, mastering survival skills. The matriarch's wisdom is vital. She knows where to find water, shelter, and safety. Moving as a herd reduces risk and ensures that knowledge is shared between generations. Hydration is critical. Adult elephants can drink up to 50 gallons of water a day. Youngsters take time to master their trunk, learning skills essential for survival. Elephants shape their environment, unintentionally creating habitats for other species. During the hottest hours, shade provides relief, allowing them to conserve energy. Dust baths are more than play. They protect from sunburn and repel insects. Morning is a time for exploration. A calm yet purposeful rhythm guides their day. Touch conveys emotions, love, reassurance, or social hierarchy within the herd. A trumpet call signals warning or calls members back together, reinforcing unity. Obstacles are met with teamwork, each individual relying on others for guidance. Simple acts like scratching are part of daily life, keeping skin healthy and strong. Elephants interact with countless other species, quietly shaping ecosystems around them. Every day is a lesson. playful moments prepare calves for challenges ahead. Their skin, thick yet sensitive, is a masterpiece of adaptation. Protecting yet feeling. Together, these gentle giants move through their world, leaving traces of wisdom and wonder. Protection is instinctive. Calves stay close to their mothers, learning to navigate the vast wilderness safely. Elephants rely on extraordinary senses. Smell, hearing, and memory guide them through danger. Some calls travel miles below human hearing, conveying messages of warning, love, or location. Large ears are natural air conditioners, regulating body temperature and scorching heat. Mud baths protect the skin, cool the body, and even repel biting insects, a natural spa of the wild. Rest is essential. Even giants take breaks to conserve energy for long journeys and survival. Learning is hands-on, or trunk-on. Every action teaches calves vital survival skills. Memory guides them. Matriarchs recall routes, water sources, and safe passages spanning decades. Watering holes are hubs of activity, calm moments where bonds are strengthened and hydration secured. Every step is measured. Their padded feet absorb impact, allowing them to traverse hundreds of miles. Elephants shape their ecosystem, providing opportunities and shelter for countless species. As the day ends, the herd moves with patience and grace, guided by instinct and experience. Play is crucial. Calves develop strength, coordination, and social skills through joyful movement. A single trumpet can rally the herd, warn of danger, or communicate excitement across miles. Even giants remain vigilant. Awareness of predators is key to the survival of each member. Physical contact is language, reassurance, connection, and affirmation of social bonds. Waterways are obstacles that test cooperation. Adults guide and protect the young with care. Every splash teaches balance and coordination, lessons hidden in playfulness. As darkness falls, the herd remains alert, ever watchful under the stars. Night brings rest, yet their senses never sleep. Even in slumber, the herd remains connected, aware, and alive. Elephants are natural travelers, covering miles each day to find food, water, and safety. Calves rely on guidance and protection, learning endurance and the art of survival. During the dry season, resources are scarce, testing their memory, intelligence, and cooperation. Tusks are tools of survival, digging, foraging, and breaking branches for nourishment. Leadership is crucial. The matriarch's wisdom ensures the herd navigates threats and finds sustenance. Every journey demands caution. Their massive size requires balance, strength, and coordination. These giants are ecosystem engineers, creating habitats and opportunities for countless species. Creativity is key. They use intelligence to access hard-to-reach food sources. Elephants are deeply emotional, capable of empathy, grief, and complex social bonds. Even the largest land animals need rest, conserving energy for their demanding daily routines. Play teaches lessons of coordination, social interaction, and survival in a safe environment. They exhibit compassion, sometimes caring for the weak or injured within the herd. Rain brings relief and food, rejuvenating the land that sustains these giants. Every drop counts. Their survival depends on both experience and timing. Nature is unpredictable. Weather shapes their daily choices and long-term migrations. Tusks are not just defense. They are essential for feeding, digging, and interaction. Communication is subtle but powerful. Low-frequency sounds carry messages across miles. Every step is measured. Their strength is balanced by precision and awareness. Joy is vital. Even in survival, elephants embrace play, bonding, and discovery. As the day ends, these gentle giants continue their journey, embodying strength, wisdom, and grace. Rivers are lifelines. Elephants navigate them carefully, teaching calves essential survival skills. Imitation is learning. Every movement prepares the young for a life of independence. Shade provides respite. Even giants seek comfort and conserve energy in the heat of the day. Leadership comes with responsibility. Her vigilance ensures the safety of every member. Connections run deep. Through touch and sound, elephants nurture trust and solidarity. Every meal is a lesson in resourcefulness. They know how to find sustenance where others see none. Falling is part of learning. Guidance and patience ensure the next generation thrives. Journeys continue as light fades. Migration and movement define life for these giants. Every wrinkle, tusk, and mark tells a story of survival, resilience, and adaptation. Even at twilight, their routines continue, protecting skin, cooling off, and maintaining health. Rest is social too. Calves find comfort in closeness, building bonds that last a lifetime. A single trumpet can alert, unite, or warn. Communication is the lifeline of the herd. Long days end with careful movement. Awareness and vigilance never cease, even as darkness falls. They are architects of the ecosystem, shaping life for others with every step and action. Their intelligence is visible. Empathy, memory, and awareness shine in every gaze. Night brings calm, but not stillness. Giants remain connected, attuned to one another. Play is timeless. Even under the stars, learning, joy, and bonding continue. Guided by wisdom, the herd finds safety, showing that leadership and experience are invaluable. Together, they traverse landscapes vast and varied, leaving traces of strength, memory, and care. The gentle giants of the wild remind us of resilience, family, and the beauty of life, nature's masterpieces in motion.